Scientific name of the Toco toucan is Rainforest toco. In the wild, toucan can live from 12 to 20 years and have reached 25 to 30 years in captivity. Moreover, toucan's tongue is long up to 15 centimeters or 6 inches. Toucan typically grow to sizes of about 1.5 to 2 feet in height and weigh between 1 and 2 pounds. Toco toucans are the largest species of birds in toucan family. Is at home in South America's tropical forests. The colorful and large bill of toucans is the hallmark, which measures more than half of the body. Use their bills to control their body temperature by adjusting blood flow into the appendage. Toucans are omnivores. Toucans are one of the world's nosiest birds, but are friendly birds likes to hang out together.